Hello, everybody. Welcome to our English lessons. Today we are going to start singing a song. So listen and repeat with me. One, two, three, go. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, say hello, say hello. If you're happy and you know it, say hello, say hello. Very good, good job. Today we are going to learn a phrase that helps us to ask for a turn, para preguntar un permiso. Cuando usted quiera preguntar a alguien o pedirle a alguien que si usted puede ser el siguiente, you are going to say, "Can I have a turn, please? Can I have a turn, please?" ¿Puede ser mi turno? ¿Puedo ser el siguiente? Can I have a turn, please? Okay, so put in practice when you want to ask someone if you can take something or if you can play something, you can say, "Can I have a turn, please?" The topic for today also is the G and H sounds. Okay, so first of all, you are going to listen and then repeat with me. A gorilla on the grass, a hippo in the house. A gorilla on the grass, a hippo in the house. Here we have the both sounds that we are going to work today, that are the sound G and the sound H. Can you listen? Go, 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 gorilla, grass, grass, grass. Now, the sound of H, hippo, hippo. House, house. Can you listen? G, it's like in Spanish, right? Gorilla, gorilla. And H is like a J, hippo, house, hippo, house. Here I have different things with the sound of k, k, k. For example, we have a game. Game. Game is the sound of k, 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 game. Then we also have a green. 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 Then we have garlic. Garlic. Ga, ga, garlic. Garlic. And finally, we have a gift. 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 Okay? Listen and repeat with me. Game, game, green, green, garlic, garlic, and gift, gift, gift. Okay? Then we have also golf. Golf, it is golf. We have grass, grass. We have gorilla, gorilla. Let's read and repeat with me these words, okay? So first of all, we have gold, gold, gold. Then we have green, green. We have girl, girl. Guitar, guitar. Grapes, grapes. And garden, garden. Can you see? It's like the same in Spanish, the letter G, right? For example, you say gato and you say grapes. You say garage, say garden. It's the same sound, right? In English and Spanish. G, g, gold, guitar, grapes, garden, girl, and green. Now, let's see the sound of letter H. The letter H sounds like a J in Spanish, see? So let's see, you say hamburger, hamburger. not hamburger, right? It's hamburger. In English, the letter H has a sound, tiene un sonido. I know that in Spanish, letter H doesn't have sound, right? You say the letter H is muda, yeah? But in English, it has a sound. For example, you say hamburger, hamburger. You say hand, hand. You say helmet, helmet. You say hippo. Can you listen the sound of the letter H? Hippo, helmet, hand, hamburger, and hurt, hurt. Okay, this is ham, ham, hot, hot, hat, hat, head, head, hach, hach, hit, hit, hit. So remember, in English, the letter H sounds like a J in Spanish. So for example, we have here house, house. Then we have gloves, gloves, house, gloves. Hen, can you see? Hen with a J here. Hen, girl, girl. Honey, honey. And glue, glue. It's different the sound, right? This is letter G and this is letter H. House, gloves, hen, girl, honey, and glue. Let's pronounce these words with the sound G and with the sound. So first of all, we have here girl, girl. We have girl. Then we have grapes, grapes. We have hen, hen, and hippo, hippo. Can you tell me the girl goes with letter G or with letter H? Girl goes with letter G, right? Hippo, hippo goes with letter G or letter H? Letter H, right? You say hippo, hippo. Then we have grapes. Grapes goes with letter G or with sound of letter H. With sound of letter G, very good, grapes. And finally we had han. Han, that is the sound of letter H. Very good. Okay, now in this part we are going to complete the names of the things with the letter G or letter H. For example, number 1 is a guitar. Guitar is with letter G or letter H. Letter G, right? You say guitar. Very good. And you have here a hippo. Hippo. It's with letter G or letter H. Letter H. Very good. Girl. Girl. G, g, girl. With letter G. Very good. Han. Han. It's the sound of letter H. Good. Han. Grapes. Grapes. G, g, grapes. Okay. And finally, house. With letter H. Very good. House. Your homework for this lesson is to send me a video in which you pronounce the words with the letter H and the words with the letter G. For example, you say helicopter, happy, hit, horse, hamster, house. One with letter G, you say gorilla, girl, green, guitar, garden, and goal. Okay, you are going to film a video in which you pronounce the words, please. And also you have a homework in your workbook, page number 17. Workbook, page number 17. Okay, so that's all for this lesson. I hope you are doing well and see you the next class. Bye bye.